Hello guys, Mr. ATC as always back to you for another idea of housing throughout recycling. And today we're gonna create a very nice project still using pallet wood. As always pallet wood. So this one is gonna be a very simple project for beginners, and the only thing you will need if you do not have too much power tool is a jigsaw and a drill machine. So I was telling you, a very simple project still using pallet wood. Today we're gonna move in the balcony or maybe in the garden, depending on what you want to do with it. And today I'm gonna show you how to create a very simple decorative design using pallet wood and for the garden. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, so one of the first thing I will start doing here using my hammer and my reciprocating saw is dismantling the different pallet slats that you can see just here. As you can imagine, this step is taking quite a lot of time, so here I'm taking my time to make sure that I'm getting the different wooden slats without breaking them. Then now that I have each of them, as you can see on my table here, the next step will be to remove the different nails inside the wood using my hammer. And I'm removing the different nails in order to go after that to my planer in order to clean the different wooden slats. Then now that I have the different wooden slats, the next step will be to take the different measurements, here using my ruler, then move to my miter saw in order to create the different cuts. And note here that I will first start by the small 30 cm slat, to move after that to the one at 50 cm. When they are all cut, I'm going back again to my table in order to dispose them in the right way. Alright, so here we are, ready with the final disposal. The next step will be to cut the different support going on the back of this design. And to cut them, I will again go to my miter saw, then apply some wood glue behind each of the slats in order to attach them at the end with some screw. Alright, so here we are with the basic wall decor. Now the next step will be for me to sand as much as possible, but before that I will be filling up the different holes using some wood filler. Then, as I was telling you a few seconds ago, I will go with my sanding machine in order to smooth down all the surface. Then apply my favorite wood burning method. Then after that I'm sanding again, but not too much. Then at the end applying a thin layer of black paint over some of the slab. Then here we are with a very nice and simple wall decor using pallet wood and for the garden. And as you can see, a lot of beautiful things we can create with pallet wood, just pallet wood. Alright, that was Mr. ATC. Again, back to you for another idea of housing throughout recycling. And I'll see you next time.